Today's video, pag-usapan natin yung online loan platform na legit at buong natatanggap. And ito yung online loan platform na paborito kong pag-usapan sa mga videos ko. Pero bago nyo ako i-criticize for saying something so positive about this loan app, panoorin nyo yung buong vlog. Anyway, so tama-tama kasi kanina may isa tayong viewer na nag-comment dun sa Manikat kong video asking, how about OLP? Online Loans Pilipinas. What about OLP? Di kaya parehas lang sila ni Manikat. So, naalala ko tuloy na December last year, nakautak ko ng 8,000 kay OLP. And I was impressed, guys. Dahil nawala na yung additional charges niya at 6 months to pay siya. After kong makuha yung 8,000, which buo pala siyang natanggap. And then, every month, yung payment was 2,086. And by the way, pag yun yung term na nakuha nyo kay OLP, don't ever think na i-advance nyo siya. Kasi meron siyang advance or parang termination fee na parang 800. So, kung mag-i-installment ka, mag-installment ka. So, sabi niya, maximum daw is 40,000 and if I keep a good record, eventually magkaka 40,000 akong credit limit sa kanya. But that time, yung offer niya is 8,000. Payable in 6 months, 2,086 per month. Buo siyang natanggap. So, na-impress ako. Sabi niya, OLP, nagbago? 9% per month? After a few months, because I always answer questions about OLP. Something's wrong with this loan app kasi nireport ako for copyright infringement dun sa Facebook just because I'm answering questions about the realities of having an OLP account. Anyways, because nagre-review po tayo ng mga online loan platforms dito, and subscribe if you haven't already. Kaya pag-usapan natin itong si OLP because someone needs to call them out or praise them, charot, if there is something impressive about this loan app. Ngayon, kakatapos ko lang siyang bayaran. So, 2,086 payments, 6 months. Umiba na naman siya, guys. And what's inconsistent about this app is that, diba, if ayaw mo nang may dina-download ka sa cellphone mo, you can always access your account sa website, which is supposedly the same thing. And after ko siyang bayaran, alam nyo, guys, I have 2 phones. Alright? Bago kayo mapasana all, dalawa yung cellphone, andito po kasi yung mga online loan platforms and banking apps ko sa main phone ko, yung lahat na super duper duper okay na mga loans andito. And because I'm not so impressed about OLP, dito ko siya dina-download kasama yung ibang Android na mga Ola na Dito po naka-install yung app ni OLP. But in cases kung saan gusto ko silipin yung account na wala akong access at dito ko siya sisilipin sa website ako. Supposedly, yung app and the website should show the same thing. Puzzle ako. Charot puzzle talaga. Nung nag-login ako sa website on this phone, iba yung offer niya, 6,000. At nawala yung, yung monthly payment plan niya. Nag-login ako sa app, and doon ko nakita, and the most inconsistent award or goes to OLP or Online Loans Pilipinas. Dapat mag-improve siya. Kaso paurong siya eh. May installment pa rin. Pero instead of 40,000 na max loan, it's now down to 20,000. And yung offer sa akin is 8,500. 500 pesos higher than the previous loan. Pero 5 months na lang. No longer 6 months, but 5 months. Now, nag-improve pa siya? Still no. Nakahanap na naman siya ng lusot, guys. Kasi eto, before I continue, tandaan nyo ha, that for loans, 10,000 and below, with a loan tenor, 4 months and below, meaning hindi lalagpas ng 4 months yung pagbabayad, the interest rate, effective interest rate should be 12% lang. Whatever fees na gusto nyo ipatong, dapat 12%. Nako, nakahanap ng lusot tong si OLP. Galing-galing nyo, guys. They are so bright. Dahil 8.5 yung, 8.5 yung offer niya. Tapos, 5 months. So, sumobra ng 4. Which, feeling niya, nang dahil yung nag-offer siya ng 5 months, K na siyang pumatong ng 15%. Paurong siya eh. Kasi sayang eh. Last time, 8,000. 6 months to pay, naging 9% per month. Why not, diba? Kung ganun. This time, 8.5, 5 months to pay, and then 15% yung service charge. For me, it's a no-go. The only thing na pwede kong i-praise dito kay OLP is that buo po siyang natatanggap. And that's it. Still, big no-no sa Online Loans Pilipinas. Legit siya because it's SEC registered. It's good na buo siyang natatanggap and it's SEC registered. Also, for those na wala talagang access sa mga better na mga online loan platforms, at least OLP is there as pang-emergency in case wala na talagang mahiraman. Dahil after all, buo siyang natatanggap. Pero very scheming siya And yung parang tinitake advantage kanila with that fact na wala kang ibang mauutangan. Because for those naman na hindi na-o-offeran ng installment, yung style niya is pa 30 days. 7, 14, 21, and 30 days. And depending on the number of days na babayaran mo yung loan mo, doon po magdidepend yung calculation ng magiging daily interest mo. Yung style naman sa mga ganun is, meron siyang additional charges, which parang dumodoble yung interest na babayaran. And there are two options. Na kung gusto mong i-get rid yung mga charges na yan, dapat willing to wait ka for 7 days bago ma-release yung loan, which defeats the purpose of, going to instant loan apps. Kasi na-try kong ipatanggal yung additional charges at sabi niya, mag-wait ng 7 days. Kailangan mo talaga mag-wait ng 7 days. Kung gusto mo namang diretso mo siyang matatanggap, then you'll just have to pikit mata ka na lang sa additional charges niya. I understand naman na loan apps will offer you terms based on your credit history, your credit score, your behavior as a borrower. Pero OLP, hello. Dati 9% yung offer sa akin, ngayon 15% or 5. The more na ayoko nang bumalik sa loan app na to, plus napakaiyakin niya ha. Well, yung ni-report niya ako sa Facebook for copyright infringement, what did I do? I was simply answering the question ng isa nating viewer na okay lang daw ba mag-advance kay OLP. Well, to answer the question, no. Sample lang yung sa installment na term na in-offer niya. Pag mag-a-advance ka ng bayad or i-terminate mo yung agreement, yung loan term mo early, like super advance mo siyang babayad, may additional fee. And kung nasa 30 days plan ka naman, it doesn't make sense na mag-advance na magbayad dahil wala namang cashback. Wala ka namang benefit na makukuha. The interest is fixed. Mas talo ka pa nga kasi normally, ba't ka mag-a-advance? Dahil mag-loan ka ulit. Pero what if, pagkatapos mo advance, di ka na pala pa uutangin ulit? Tapos talo ka pa sa interest by a number of days. O, diba? So, may benefit pa sa pagbayad. Yun yung video na ginawa ko for OLP, yung reel na ginawa ko for for that viewer. Kasi sinagot ko yung tanong. And yun yung ni-report yung ng taga-OLP na copyright infringement daw. They're offering services to the public. They're a company listed in the Securities and Exchange Commission as an online lending platform. And therefore, may karapatan tayo mag-review sa kanila. Oy, bakit di nila matanggap yung feedback? So, they're legit. I mean, nasa inyo naman kung uutangan nyo o hindi. But it's not nice na lumapit sa mga online loan platforms na may mga shady business practices. They don't deserve patronage. Tapos ito pa. So inconsistent. Pero nasa inyo yan guys kung gusto nyo pa rin umutang sa loan app na to. Kung ayaw nyong may app, you can access or apply via the website. But also, yung sa website and sa app, hindi naman masyadong inconsistent. But yeah, all you need is just one valid ID. Isasabit mo lang sa kanila and at least tumatanggap sila ng PhilHealth. Pero kung meron lang tayong ibang choice, wag dito kay OLP. And one more thing before I let you go. Kasi itong si OLP masipag tong tumawag. Yung main phone ko is always naka-silent. And because of that, I keep missing important phone calls. But because of this OLP na 5 days pa lang before my due date, tatawag like super daming calls. Not worth the headache. And parang tumahimik ng konti yung buhay ko now that bayad na ako kay OLP. And, no thank you, hindi na ako uulit dito, no? Pero nasa inyo yan guys kasi kayo naman yung uutang. Just make sure na may pangbayad kayo kung ayaw nyo ng sakit sa ulo because I've had ang dami ko ng mga bad experiences dito kay OLP na para sa akin I'm so convinced na wag na. Bago kayo mapadpad kay OLP, check out the list of legit loan apps by Ate Red kasi andun po yung mga OLA na much better than OLP. So, final na to. Bye-bye.